Let me ask you something. How many trading courses have you bought? How many YouTube videos have you watched? How many strategies have you studied, tested, and thrown away because they didn't work for you? And you're still not profitable consistently. Here's what nobody is going to tell you. It's not the strategy. You probably already had decent strategy. It's not the market. The market is giving opportunities every single day. And it's not your intelligence, because you're clearly smart enough to keep learning, to keep trying, and to keep showing up. The thing that's keeping you broke after all that time, all that money, and all of that effort that you put in is something that no pre-recorded course can teach you. And once I show you what it is, you're going to look back at everything you spent on trading education and understand exactly why it didn't work for you. Stay with me here, because this changes everything. I want to paint a picture for you. You find a trading course, the guy selling it has screenshots, he's got the results, he's got the testimonials, the strategy looks clean, it makes sense on the chart examples that he is showing. You buy it, you go through it, you take all the notes, you feel like you finally understand what you're doing. And then you go live, and nothing works the way it did in the course and the examples and all the videos that you studied. The setups that looked obvious in the videos and the examples, they don't look obvious in real time. The entries that seem clean, they're messy when the market is actually moving. And the worst part, when the trade goes against you, you freeze. You don't know what to do because the course never showed you that part. The course showed you the perfect trade setup, the perfect entry, the perfect outcome. The market doesn't give you perfect. The market gives you uncertainty, pressure, decisions that need to be made in seconds with real money on the line. And honestly, no pre-recorded video, no matter how good it is, can prepare you that. And here is exactly why. Point number one, the market is alive and a course is dead. When you watch a pre-recorded trading course, you're watching a highlight reel. The instructor picked the best examples for you, the cleanest setups, the trades that worked exactly as planned. They recorded it when the market was calm, when the market and the setup was obvious and the outcome was already known. They already knew how it ended when they hit record. That's not trading. That is storytelling. Real trading looks nothing like that. Real trading is, you've identified a setup. You think that the level is holding. You're in the trade, and then a news event hits. Donald Trump speaks, and price spikes 50 points in the wrong direction in 30 seconds. What do? Do you hold the trade? Do you cut the trade? Do you add the trade? Do you wait? A course is not going to be able to answer that question for you, because a course was made before even all those moments existed. You have to understand that the market is a living thing. It changes every single day. The volatility changes, the momentum changes, the way price reacts to level changes based on what's happening in the world right now, not 6 months ago when someone recorded a video. And here's the thing that most traders don't even realize until they've lost a lot of money figuring it out. The skill of trading is not knowing what to do when everything goes according to plan. That part is actually easy. The skill is knowing what to do when it doesn't go to plan, when the setup is ambiguous, when everything is going against you, when the price is doing something completely unexpected, when your emotions are telling you one thing and your rules are completely telling you another. This may sound bad, but you cannot learn all that stuff from a pre-recorded video. You can only learn it by watching someone navigate the market in real time and then doing it yourself. Point number two, every course teaches you what to do. Almost none of them teach you why you need to do it. And 0 of them teach you how to think when the why isn't clear. Here's what I mean by that. A course will tell you when you see this pattern, enter here, stop goes here, target goes here. And that's useful, yes, that's the foundation, but it's only half of the equation. The other half is what happens when the pattern is forming, but it's not quite right. What happens when the level is there, but the candle structure is weak? What happens when everything looks good, but something feels off about the way that price is currently moving? That's where the real decisions happen, and those decisions come from something that can't be written in a course model or a pre-recorded video. That's where real decisions happen, and those decisions come from something that can't be written in a course model. They come from experience, from having seen the market in enough different conditions that you develop an intuition for what's real and what is a trap. When you watch a live trader work through a session, you're not just watching them execute trades. You're watching them think, you're watching them process information in real time. You're watching them look at a setup and say, this is close, but it's not quite there. I'm gonna wait. Or this level is holding, but the momentum is weak. I'm taking half of the trade size. Or this trade is wrong. I'm out. I'm gonna get out of this trade, not at my stop loss, but before it goes there. These micro decisions are the ones that happen in seconds based on experience and pattern recognition and feeling. And that's exactly what separates consistently profitable traders from everyone else. And you cannot absorb that from a video where every decision was already made before you even pressed play. You absorb it by watching someone make those decisions in real time in live conditions with real money on the line when the outcome is honestly, genuinely unknown. Point number 3, and this is the one that nobody in the trading education space will ever talk about: emotional collaboration. Here's the reality of trading that courses will never show you. Trading is an emotional experience, even for experienced traders like myself, even for people who have been doing this for years and years and years. When you have real money on the line, when a trade is moving against you and your account is drawing down, your body responds. Your heart rate goes up, your thinking gets clouded, you start making decisions based on fear instead of your actual trading plan. And the only way to develop the emotional resilience to handle that is repeated exposure to it over and over again until your nervous system learns that losing a trade is not a threat, it's just information. Now here's where live education is completely different from a course. When you watch a live trading session, you're not just watching the trades, you're watching how the traders handle the emotional pressure of those trades. You're watching them take a loss and not spiral out and go crazy. You're watching them miss a setup and not chase it. You're watching them sit in a trade that's going against them and make a calm, rational decision about whether to hold the trade or not. And something happens, something clicks when you watch that repeatedly. Your own emotional baseline starts to shift because you're seeing with your own eyes that it's possible to be calm in those exact moments. That's it, possible to take a loss and immediately move on. That it is possible to miss a move and not feel like you completely failed. You're not just learning a strategy, you're recalibrating your emotional response to the markets. A course cannot do that. A course shows you a trader who is calm because they already know the outcome. That's not a calm trader. That is called editing. Watching someone be genuinely calm in a genuinely uncertain moment, that's the model that you need to excel and accelerate in your trading. And that only exists with live trading and live education. Point 4, real-time feedback. Here's something that happens in every pre-recorded course that nobody talks about. You watch a lesson, you think you understand it, you go apply it, and you're not sure if you're applying it correctly because the person who taught you isn't even there to give you feedback. So what do? You look at the setup and you think, is this my entry? Is this where it's meant to be? Does this even qualify? And you have nobody around you to ask. So you either take the trade and hope that you are right, or you don't take it and wonder if you missed a good setup. And this just creates more emotional trading and FOMO. The uncertainty, that gap between learning and applying, is where most traders get stuck. And it's where most of the bad habits form because you're making decisions without feedback. And without feedback, you can't improve and refine your skills. When you're watching a live session and you see a setup forming, you can ask in real time, is this the entry? Does this qualify? What are you even seeing here? And you get an answer immediately while the market is still moving in real time, while the setup is still live. And that's a completely different learning experience because now you're not just watching, you're participating. You're developing your own analysis in real time and training your eyes and getting immediate feedback on the conditions and whether it is correct. And over time, session after session, your pattern recognition starts to sharpen. Your ability to identify setups in real time improves drastically. Your confidence in your own analysis builds because you've been tested on it in real conditions over and over and over again. That's how skill actually develops, not from watching, from doing with feedback. Okay, let me bring this all together because there's a thread running around through everything I just said, and I want to make it explicit here. The difference between traders who make it and the traders who don't, it's not strategy, it's all mindset. And I don't mean mindset in the motivational poster sense. I mean the specific practical way you think when you're in a trade, how you process uncertainty, how you handle being wrong, how you make decisions when the market isn't giving you a clear answer. That mindset is not something you can read about and develop. It's not something you can watch a pre-recorded video and absorb. It develops through exposure, through watching someone who already has it operate in real conditions, in real times, with real stakes on the line. Really just think about how any real skill is learned. You don't learn to be a surgeon by watching recorded surgeries. You learn by being in the operating room, watching a master surgeon make decisions in real time, under pressure, when things don't go according to plan. You absorb not just the technique, but the composure all around you, the judgment, and the ability to adapt to the environment. Trading is exactly the same. When you watch a live trading session, you're not just learning what setups to take. You're absorbing how profitable traders think, how they process information, how they handle uncertainty, how they react when the market does something unexpected, how they manage their emotions when a trade goes against them. You're downloading a mindset, not just a strategy. And that is the thing that 99% of trading education completely misses these days, because it can't be packaged into a course. It can only be transmitted live. So what does this actually look like in practice? What does daily live trading education actually give you that a course doesn't? And let me be real specific here with this. Every single day, the market is open. You're watching real decisions being made in real market conditions, not just cherry-picked examples, not the cleanest setups. I mean, whatever the market gives that day. Trending, choppy, news-driven, slow. You're watching how to navigate it. And here's what that builds for you over time. First, real-time decision-making under pressure. You see it modeled every day, and then you start doing it yourself. Your ability to make clean decisions in the moment without hesitation, without second-guessing yourself, develops because you've already watched it so many times done correctly, hundreds and hundreds of times. Second, pattern recognition across multiple market conditions. A course shows you one type of market. Live trading shows you all of them. Trending days, range days, high volatile days, low volatile days, news days, and you learn how to read each one because you've seen each one in real time with commentary on what's happening and why it's actually happening. Third, psychological resilience. You watch losses being handled correctly, the right way. You watch missed setups being let go without emotional attachment. You watch bad days being accepted and moved on from, and your own psychology starts to mirror that because you've seen it repeatedly. Third, psychological resilience. You watch losses being handled correctly. You watch missed setups being let go without all that emotional attachment. You watch bad days being accepted and moved on from, and your own psychology starts to mirror that because you've seen repeatedly what healthy trading psychology actually looks like in practice. Fourth, immediate feedback on your own analysis. You're developing your read on the market in real time, and you're getting immediate confirmation or correction. That feedback loop accelerates your development faster than anything else will. That is why traders who learn live, who show up every day, who watch real sessions, who get real feedback, develop faster and more completely than traders who go through courses all alone over and over again. Because they're not just learning trading, they're developing the mindset of a professional trader. Look, I'm not here to tell you that courses are completely worthless. The fundamentals matter. Understanding market structure, trends, understanding risk management, technical analysis, and understanding how to read a chart overall, that is the foundation that you need. But the foundation is not the entire building, and most traders spend years laying the same foundation over and over again. Buying course after course, learning strategy after strategy, thinking something's gonna change without ever building anything on top of that foundation. Because what they're missing is the live component, the real-time exposure, the mindset transmission that only happens when you watch a real trader navigate real conditions in real time. That's what I do every single day with the traders in my community. We're not just going through models and theories. We're in the market together daily. We're making decisions together. We're building the mindset together in real conditions with real feedback every single day that the markets are open. If you've been at this for a while and you're still not where you want to be, I want you to ask yourself, honestly, have you ever actually learned live? Have you ever watched a profitable trader work through a real session in real time and absorbed everything, not just what they did, but how they thought? If the answer is no, now you know what exactly has been missing. The link is in the description. Come see what live trading education actually looks like. Drop a comment down below and tell me how long you've been trading and what's been your biggest challenge in trading. I read every single comment and I'll see you in the next one.